This 2025 Fleetwood Frontier 3.4 GT is a Class A RV. It is located in Ocala, FL 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Fleetwood is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Fleetwood Frontier 3.4 GT is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.